die. Not to mention hordes of brown shirts passing by. Brings a tear to every single Nazi eye. In old, I'm talking old, Barbaria. All right, my Lieblings, chow time.
It's just a hunch, but I'm betting this is our man.
He's wearing a German helmet and a lederhosen.
Don't notice it. Don't notice anything. Always look straight ahead. And remember, we need that play. Franz Liebkind.
I was still in the Nazi party. I had nothing to do with the war. I didn't even know there was a war going on. We lived in the back, across from Switzerland. Our village was yodeling.
Relax, Mr. Liebkind. We're not from the government. We're producers. Bialystok. Blue. Here to talk to you about your play.
My play? You mean springtime for you know who?
Yes.
What about it?
Oh, we love it. We think it's a masterpiece.
We want to put it on Broadway.
Broadway! Oh, joy of joy, dream of dreams! I must tell my birds!
Tell your birds.
Otto, Bertha, Heidi, Heinz, Wolfgang! Oh, Adolf! We are finally going to clear the first name! Broadway! Oh, lights, music, tippy-toppy-toes! No, not many people know it, but the here is a dance.
Really? We did not know that, did we, Leo?
Nope. We sure didn't.
That's because you were taken by the BBC. Filthy British lies. But they never said a bad word about Winston Churchill, did they? Oh, Churchill, with his brandy and his cigars and his rotten paintings. Rotten! Oh, it's not. Now there was a painter. He could paint an entire apartment in one afternoon. 2 coats.
Of course he could. And that's why we want to put on your play. To show the world the true Hitler. The Hitler you loved. The Hitler you knew. The Hitler with the song in his heart. Here, Franz Liebkind. Sign here and we'll make your dream a reality.
9.
9?
No.
No!
First you must prove to me that you believe as I do. By joining me in singing und dancing the Führer's favorite tune, Der Guten Tag Hauptklapp.
Der Guten Tag Hauptklapp?
Der Guten Tag Hauptklapp.
Oh no, I could never sing the Führer's favorite.
Delighted! Delighted! Shut up, he's almost ready to sign.
Good. First you will roll up your pants. Jawohl.
Jawohl.
Trouble.
Good. Hier ich.
Is there any other?
Wunderbar. 1, 2, 3. Guten Tag, hopp, hopp. Guten Tag, hopp, hopp. Ach, der liebe Gott. Oh, boy. Guten Tag, Schlag, Schlag. Guten Tag, Schlag, Schlag. Oh, essen und fressen und tanzen und trinken. Tanzen und trinken, tanzen, trinken, stinken. Alle, alle. Guten Tag, hopp, hopp. Guten Tag, hopp, hopp. Guten Tag, mein lieber Schatz. So, wir haben uns und wir haben
Siegfried Oath. What's that?
But the pledge of eternal allegiance to a beloved fiancé.
Never! Took that oath before.
One for me, one for you, and one for me.
Never! Had one on before. Thanks a whole lot.
You're welcome.
Nice colors.
We never should have started this. I think we're getting in too deep.
Too deep? This is nothing. I'll tell you when we're getting in too deep.
All right. First you will raise your right forefinger and repeat after me. I solemnly swear
I solemnly swear
to obey the sacred Siegfried oath.
to obey the sacred Siegfried oaths.
Und
Und
never, never, never
never, never
dishonor the spirit, the memory of Adolf Elizabeth Hitler.
dishonor the spirit and Elizabeth.
Yeah, that was his middle name. You know, not many people know it, but Siegfried is descended from a long line of English queens.
Really? Adolf Elizabeth Hitler.
Good! Now I sign your contract.
Excellent! Just sign right on the dotted line. You'll never regret this. Thank you, Harry.
Now,
All right.
I must warn you, gentlemen. The penalty for breaking the Siegfried oath is death.
Death? By any chance, is that anything like death?
Jawohl.
Well, sorry to hear that then. We'll iron out all these thorny details over strudel. Ta-ta!